How to get face tracking in Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get face tracking in Roblox. Face tracking typically involves using a device's camera to capture facial expressions and movements, which is not a built-in feature of Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Roblox app. Once you get into this game, tap on 3 dots from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings option from here. Now, from settings, go into privacy. After that, scroll down in privacy and you will find the camera input option. Tap to turn off use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Then tap to enter the PIN attached to your account. After entering the PIN, tap to unlock the camera option. Now you can enable the camera option from here. Then you have successfully enabled the camera option. After that, you will get face tracking in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.